Eat nutritious breakfast that will keep you energetic all day. 1. Avocado Toast. Avocado toast is excellent source of vitamin B, vitamin C, potassium and magnesium. Avocado toast burns extra fat from body. 2. Oats Porridge. Oats porridge is good source of antioxidants, vitamin B1, iron and magnesium. It is good for heart health and weight loss. 3. Idli. Idli is a South Indian dish without any fat. It is very effective in weight loss and quick snack to make at home. It is high in vitamin B complex, zinc, phosphorus, fiber and magnesium. These nutrients helps to promote digestion. 4. Gobi Paratha. Gobi Paratha fight against free radicals. It is also rich in fiber that lowers bad cholesterol. 5. Brown bread corn sandwich. Corns reduces risk of heart diseases and cancer. It is also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that helps our cell damage. 6. Rava vegetable Upma. Rava vegetable Upma provides energy to our body. It also promotes weight loss and keeps us full for longer time. 7. Tofu Bhurji. Tofu Bhurji is good source of protein, calcium, iron. It is in low calories, hence it is good for weight loss. 8. Palak Paratha. Palak Parathas are healthy and nutritious food that gives natural green color to your breakfast. It is rich in iron, magnesium, calcium, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Dietitian come naturopath and yoga consultant meet you.